Morning Pigeon family, this Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. Morning to all the new subscribers, all my subscribers. It's my last 2.5 mile toss at my lake. Well, the lake not too far, 2.5 miles from my house. The birds are sitting in the crate trying to calm down. I ain't gonna lie to you, I think it's 25 in there. I don't know how I miscount so much. I get so damn trying to grab one, look at the band, trying to feel him out, see how much he weigh, and see if he's too thin or if there's something wrong with him. It seemed like it takes forever. But yeah, I want to thank all the subscribers, definitely. This is my last 2.5 mile toss. I might put it online, might not. It's gonna rain later. Little dark clouds there. You can see the sun is up a little higher. All right, babies, let's see what you're gonna do. They all together, no stragglers. Oh, there. I'm looking to see if I see him. I don't know if the camera is picking them up or not. I can't see them anyway. Oh, there they go. They are going the right way. They are low, not as high as they normally, but they are going the right way. The reason why it's I think 25 is because I think I put a couple of B team members. I am struggling like hell to get that B team working right. They are all over the damn place. I can't seem to get them in order. They're getting up higher. I can see that they're flying higher. Hope this sun is not messing up your vision, but I think you can still see them. I don't know where they're, yeah. Yeah, they still sing together. At least definitely going the right direction. Still got them in view, but they are going the right direction. They're opening right here through the trees. Is definitely where they should be going. Well, they look like they're gone. Let's go home. All right, just got to the house, and the birds had just got here about the same time I did. I just seen them fly over. There they go. That's the last 2.5 miles. They are definitely have a lot of confidence in that 2.5 mile. Remember, I added a couple of B team birds. I really just hoped that they would just fly with the stock. Okay. I'm gonna give an update on the other birds in the loft and everything, but you see my B team troublemakers, they're not with the program at all, but we are chasing them up this weekend. I can't let them out during the weekday because I can't stay out here with them long enough. And they do not want to go in. So I've been cutting the feed down, couple of days. I skipped 1 day of feed right before I let them out. They still act like they had enough in them. They are juicy anyway. They probably need to fly some of that fat off them. All right. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta get the other birds some water. Try to give them some feed. All right, this is gonna be a short one, 2.5-mile toss. They got home really fast. Added some new birds to it. Their feed and water is inside. I was waiting for a later time to move it in, but Stratus suggested I should move it in earlier. So why not? We moved it in early. Appreciate that, Stratus 5907. I cleaned out the cage. That's all sand, a little bit of dust on the sides. Got their feed in there, their water. These guys right here, the B team. They got their water right there. I already gave them a little bit of feed, cut their feed in half. You can see they still want some more. That's all the birds left for the B team. It was 30 in there. I know for a fact I moved 4 into the other A team loft, A team section. There they go, flying low. All right. Thanks for watching. And I'll give an update on all the birds all together later. Subscribe, comment. Peace.